Hello students. In the previous video we have started the significant figures, their definitions, and today we will discuss about the rules with example of significant figure. So write down the rules. Significant figure is are the meaningful digit in a measure or calculated quantity. Or in simple way, significant figures equal to all the accurate digit plus first doubtful digit For example, we have discussed already. For example, if we measure a length of rod, if it comes 24.2 cm, this value is known as doubtful digit. This value is known as doubtful digit because every time if we measure it comes 24.21, it comes 24.23. So first letter after decimal means first digit of this after decimal is always known as doubtful digit, and this digit is known as accurate digit. So write down the rule with example. First rule is all non-zero digit are significant. For example, if we write here 9925, how many significant figure? 1, 2, 3, 4, because all non-zero digits are there. If we write 0.23, so how many significant figure? Only 2. So here is the 2 significant figure present in this number. Rule number 2. In decimal, number 0 before first non-zero digit is not significant. For example, if 0.0023 and here is also written 00001. So how many significant figure present in this? So here is only 2 significant figure and here is only 1 significant figure. Rule number 3. 0 between two non-zero digit are significant. For example, 90006. So how many significant figure? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here is a 5 significant figure. Number 4, in decimal number, zeros after non-zero digit is significant. For example, 0.2300 and 0.002300. So how many significant figure present in this? There is 1, 2, 3, 4 only. There is also 1, 2, 3, 4 only, because in decimal number zeros after non-zero digit is significant. Now next, if no decimal present in the digit, no decimal present. So if there is only 100, that means what will be the significant figure? Only 1. If 100 write in this form also, so how many significant figure? Only 1. Same. If 4, how many significant figure? 4. If 100.00, how many significant figure? So 5. So you can practice it. Now next, if infinite number, for infinite number, suppose here is written is 2, so infinite number, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, infinite number. So significant figure may be 2, it may be 2.0, it may be 2.00, it may be 2.000. So how many significant figure? Here is a 1, here is a 2, here is a 3 and here is a 4. Rule number 7. Rule number 7, if this type of digit given 0.623 10 to the power 23, this is Avogadro's number, and here of significant figure concern only we write the significant figure 1, 2, 3, 4. Only this counted, not this. So how many significant figure present in this digit? Only 4. Number 8. In the case of addition, suppose addition, not 8. In the case of addition, simple method. In the case of addition, smaller number, always smaller number will be significant figure. Always smaller number will be significant figure. For example, if we write 0.1 plus 2.004, if it comes 0.02, so 0.1 plus this 2.004, how many significant present? So smaller value of this, so this will be the significant figure in case of addition. Similarly, in case of multiplication also, smaller number will be significant figure. Here is 8, not 0, 8.1, sorry. So significant figure is 02. In the case of multiplication, if we write 8.1 plus 2.004, how many significant figure? According to rule, smaller number will be significant figure. So only 2 significant figure. Next, rounding off. If the digit following the last digit to be retained is more than 5, the last digit retained is increased by 1. 8.249. The last digit to be retained, this digit, last digit followed by, and it is more than 5, so this digit becomes 8.25. So last digit to be retained is more than 5, the last retained is increased by 1, so this digit increased by 1. If the digit following the last digit to be retained is less than 5, the last digit is left unchanged. For example, 8.244, so it becomes 8.24, because last digit to be retained is less than 5, so this digit is less than 5, so it's left unchanged. Number 3, if the digit following the last digit to be retained is equal to 5, the last digit is left unchanged if it is even and is increased by 1 if it is odd. So let's see here, if 8.245, 4 is the even number, so even number left unchanged. And if 8.235 is the odd number, odd number, so it is increased by 1. So it becomes 8.24 and it becomes 8.24. This is the rule for significant figure. Now assignment for question related to the scientific notation. Express the following numbers to 4 significant figure. Number 1, 5.607892. Number 2, 32.392800. Number 3, 1.78986 into 10 to the power 3. And the last is number 4, 0.007837. So express this number to 4 significant figure. Now our next topic is empirical formula and molecular formula. Molecular and empirical formula. Write down the definition. The symbolic representation of any substance, molecules, called molecular formula. Molecular formula. Whereas common digit remove from molecular formula, from molecular formula called empirical formula. Empirical formula. The symbolic representation of any molecules called molecular formula, and whereas common digit remove from molecular formula, it is called the empirical formula. For example, acetylene. It is also known as ethyne, and their formula is CH, double bond CH, and molecular formula C2H2. So at first, molecular formula is C2H2 and empirical formula is only CH. Here N is the common digit. It is N equal to molecular mass by empirical mass. So calculate it, it comes 26 and it comes 13, so equal to 2, and molecular formula equal to N into empirical formula. And the value of N is 2. Empirical formula is CH. So molecular formula comes C2H2. Now solve the question related to this topic. A compound containing 4.07% hydrogen, 24.27% carbon and 71.65% chlorine, and its molar mass is 98.96 gram. So calculate molecular formula and empirical formula. At first we write the name of element. After that, column make weight. After that, atomic mass, then number of mole, then mean, and at last empirical formula. So see here, first element is hydrogen, and weight containing hydrogen is 4.07%. Atomic mass is 1. Number of moles 4 by 1, given mass by atomic mass, so it comes 4. And mean, at first we write down the name of all element. Carbon, chlorine, carbon present 24.27%, chlorine 71.65%, and atomic mass of carbon is 12, and atomic mass of chlorine is 35.5. So 24.12 equal to 2, and 35.5 71 by 35.5. You can take all the digit. I am taking only 2 digit for solving this calculation. 2. So mean is formed by all the number of moles by lowest number. The lowest number is 2. So all the number of moles divided by the lowest number of moles. So 4 divided by 2, mean comes 2. This 2 divided by 2, it comes 1, and it also 2 divided by 2, it comes 1. So hydrogen becomes H2, carbon becomes C1, and chlorine also becomes 1. So calculate the empirical formula: 2 hydrogen, 1 carbon and 1 chlorine. So it comes 12, it comes 49.5. So N becomes 99, 98.9. We take 99 by 49.5. It is 49.5 equal to 2 approx. So molecular formula: 2 into CH2 Cl, and it becomes C2H4 Cl. So this is the problem based on the molecular formula and empirical formula. In the next class we will discuss other topic.